Hello, this is Prof.P.Subba, Department of Computer Science, Tirupati Institute of Engineering and Technology, Guntur. Today, I'm going to talk about an introduction to software project management. Basically, what does a project management activity encompass? It encompasses measurement and metrics. That is, you have to estimate the cost, time, and effort required to complete the project. Then you have risk analysis. Risk is inevitable, but taking the right risk is more important. So, which risk you are going to take depends on the project leader and the project management. Schedules are equally important, and we have to make sure that we are as close to the schedule as possible. That is done by tracking and control. Our goal is to track and control and make sure that we are on schedule. In estimation, we decide how much time and effort this project takes, cost, and in tracking and control, we see how close we are to these estimates. Consider management techniques required to plan, organize, monitor, and control software projects. Planning is very important, that is estimation. Organizing is equally important, that is how to do the project and how to manage the project. Monitoring is very important because we have to keep on time and schedule. Generally, the schedules are very tight in real projects, so we have to make sure that the schedules are reasonably met. Finally, control. We have to control the project and make sure that we are on schedule. We are according to plan, otherwise we have to replan. Effective software project management focuses on 3 P's: people, problem, process. We'll discuss those in detail in the next slides. People must be organized into effective teams, motivated to do high quality work, coordinated to achieve effective communication and results. Teamwork is the central thing in our software organizations, and in whichever team we are kept, we have to produce. For example, once when I went to a workshop, then I was put into different teams for each task. And I wondered why, but that is the way I think it goes in the software industry. If you want to be a successful software engineer, then you have to make sure that you are put into, you should work in any team. You should not have any problem in working in any team for any length of time. Motivated to do high quality work. Quality is central. If you cannot satisfy the customer won't give the money and your whole effort is gone. So quality is central. Coordinated to achieve effective communication and results. Here, communication is the main central thing and we have to produce results. Problem. It must be communicated from customer to developer. Generally the customer knows the problem, what is to be done. But the developer has to understand what the customer has to say and make sure it is implemented. For this, a lot of communication is required and that communication is the key. Decomposed into its parts. Decomposed into its parts. Positioned for work by software team. Process, the third P, must be adapted to the people and problem. Otherwise the process is waste. However effective it is, it should be adapted to the people and problem. Then only it will benefit the software organization. To get the software developed, common process framework is selected. Appropriate software engineering paradigm is applied. Set of work tasks chosen. Basically, work breakdown structure takes place, and from the work breakdown structure, tasks are chosen and those tasks are attempted. People, the first P, very important component to success of software project. See, it is the people who have to motivate. It is the people who have to motivate the team. It is the people, it is the leader who has to motivate the team, and the right people will make sure the project is success. Who are the various players? Senior managers. They define the business issues that impact projects. Project managers, technical managers must plan, motivate, organize and control the project team. They are responsible for the project team. Customers, they specify requirements and it is those persons whom the software team has to satisfy. End users, the persons who actually use the software. Team leaders lead the software development team. MOI, that is motivation, organization and ideas or innovation. MOI means motivation, organization or ideas or innovation. MOI, model of leadership. A leader should be a good motivator and he has to make sure that his team is well motivated to do the project on time within cost and okay. Organizational process. Ideas or innovation encourage creativity. Another view, four key traits of effective project manager. Problem solving skills, managerial skills, managerial identity, taking charge of the project, achievement, reward, initiative and controlled risk taking, influence and team building, ability to read people, organization of software teams. We'll just discuss, okay, I'll stop here before discussing them in the next class. We'll discuss this. Thank you.